Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.